Dr. A. Maros, Department of Mathematics, Alsarian College of Arts and Science for Women, Raghunathapuram, Pudukkottai. Now, we see about the solution of linear system of equations. In the system, there are two types. First one is direct method. The second one is indirect method or iterative method. In direct method, there are two types. First one is Gauss elimination method. Then second one is Gauss-Jordan method. In indirect method, there are also two methods: Gauss-Jacobi method and Gauss-Seidel method. Now we see about the Gauss-Seidel method. In the Gauss-Seidel method, so the condition is the coefficient of matrix should be diagonally dominant. We know that already. What is the diagonally dominant? So a matrix is diagonally dominant if the absolute value of the each diagonal element is greater than the sum of the absolute value of the remaining entries in the same row. That is, here 41 is greater than 2 and 3. Also the second row, 27 is greater than 1 and 2. So same, the third row, 52 is greater than sum of 1 plus 3. So the diagonally dominant is greater than other values. So which is diagonally dominant. So now see the example. Before that the formula. We know that already this formula. So we go to directly in the problem. The first problem. So equation 27x plus 6y minus z equal to 85. Then 6x plus 15y plus 2z equal to 72. Then x plus y plus 54 z equal to 110. So now we is in the Gauss-Seidel method. So what is given in the question we have to write first one. So here first equation. First we check diagonally dominant. So diagonal means we know that diagonal value 27, 15, then 54 is greater than other values. So we take the x equal to this one, y equal to second one, z equal to third. So which is the first equation, second equation, third equation. Now we have to find the values of x, y, z. If we need x values, we have to substitute y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Then solving the equation we get x value. The same if you want y values. Now we find the x values here. So substitute this x value. Then z values. So we get y values. The same also z. If we doing this if we doing this same way we get the table values like this. So when we finish now, the same x values will be same. Also y value, the same value when we get that time. Also z value, same value. So all the values will be the same before the iteration. So then we stop the solution and get the x value, y value and z value. So there are the shortcut method is there. This is if we do the calculation handwritten, it will be very difficult. But if we use calculator, there are one short method. So this is for your reference. First we know that the calculator fix the values. Any 3 digit or 4 digit, we fix the values. Then we take x equal to a, y equal to b and z equal to c. Because in the calculator we don't have x, y, z. So we take a, b, c in the name of x, y, z. So we already know the equation x equal to some curve. So we substitute a equal to the value. Then use the main colon. The colon use, then also b equal to some values, then use colon. Then c equal. Last one we cannot use the colon because it's a complete equation. So if we continue another equation, we have to use the colon symbol. Then press cal c, we get the answer, final answer like this. The table we get the final answer, and if we finish more button, we get the next answer. So repeat the process. We will find the final solution. This is the mode. There are two types of calculator. This is the mode function also fixed. Then we have A, B, C. Using shift alpha, then substitute the values, we get the final solution. So there are some extra problems are there. So when we do it, so this is also extra problem. Thank you.